So, hi friends, now we'll discuss regarding Gandhara School of Art. So, contribution of Buddhism to Indian culture. Cultural history of India starts with Buddhism. Okay, so in carving of Buddha, four different schools of art were emerged in first century AD. So, what are those four schools of art? First one is Gandhara School of Art, second Madura, and third Amaravati, and fourth and third Bharati School of Art, and fourth one is Amaravati School of Art. So now we will discuss regarding Gandhara School of Art. So Gandhara School of Art was the first to carve the statue of Buddha. The school was flourished during the times of Kushans. So during the time of Kushans, the School of Art was emerged. It was in the which region? Afghanistan region. Gandhara school is a fusion of two styles. What are those styles? Indian style and foreign styles. Okay. Gandhara sculpture used Greek, Indian and Roman styles. Greek style and Indian style and Roman style. So this is very much important for the examination in carving the statue of Buddha. So he has taken physique from Greek style and face from Indian style and hairstyle from Roman style. Hairstyle from Roman style. Physique from Greek style. Face from Indian style. Hairstyle from Roman style. So these 3 points very much important for the examination. In Gandhara school, most of the Buddhas are carved in Sthanaka posture. Sthanaka posture means sitting Buddha. So sitting Buddha or condensed Buddha statue was found in Sikri place. Sikri in which region? It is in Pakistan region. Okay. Sthanaka posture or sitting Buddha or condensed Buddha posture was found in Sikri.